wabarakatuh. I'm from 9C and my student number is 26. Okay, in this video, I will tell you and show you about how to use microwave. Okay, so don't be long, let's get started.
First of all, plug the microwave cable into the electric socket. Then, put food in a bowl and close tightly. Then, open the microwave and put the food into the microwave carefully. After that, close the microwave and set cook time. Then, wait until the time stops and the microwave will beep. After that, open the microwave and take out the food carefully. Don't forget to open the lid of the bowl. Then, close the microwave and unplug the cable from the electric socket. Finally, the food is ready to serve.
Okay, that's a little tutorial from me. I think that's enough. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.